If you're anything like me, you love waking up to the aroma of a fresh hot breakfast ready and waiting. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Today's video recipe is a simple and easy crock-pot breakfast casserole. Just set it before bed and wake up to the smell of bacon, eggs, hash browns, and cheese, so there's no need to rattle those pots and pans after a late night of work or play. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my crock-pot breakfast casserole, the ingredients I'll be using are 1 pound of bacon, frozen, butter flavor cooking spray, 1 26-ounce bag of frozen hash browns, 3 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 2/3 cup of chopped white onion, 1 dozen large eggs, 1 cup of half and half, and I'm using fat-free, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. The first step is to dice my entire pound of frozen bacon and fry it up. Freezing the bacon saves time and frustration because it makes it much easier to handle and slice. I remove my bacon from the freezer and allow it to sit out for about 10 to 15 minutes before beginning, but no longer. I slice half of my bacon vertically from top to bottom and then horizontally to dice it. While that half goes into the pan on medium-high heat to cook, I slice the other half pound the same way. I cook each half pound of bacon separately so I don't overcrowd the pan and I don't have a lot of hot fat spitting. I continue cooking my bacon, stirring periodically until crispy, and then I drain the fat. Here's a great tip. Don't throw away that bacon fat. Save it in a jar in the refrigerator to help season other dishes such as homemade refried beans, fried potatoes, green beans, or country gravy. Yum! The next step is to get my crock pot ready and to build the layers of my casserole. I spray the sides and bottom of my crock pot with butter-flavored nonstick cooking spray, and then I add and layer evenly half of my hash browns, half of the chopped onions, half of the cheese, and half of the bacon. Then repeat. Next, I need to make my egg mixture, which will bind all of this together, so then all I have to do is push the button before bed, and in the morning, I've got breakfast. In a medium bowl, I crack a dozen eggs and whisk them lightly. Then I add half and half, salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Now I whisk to combine all of the ingredients and then evenly pour over my layered ingredients in the crock pot, focusing first on the edges and then pouring over the rest. I cover and set my crock pot on low for 7 to 8 hours, and I'm going to bed. Good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. We're back. Our casserole is ready to eat, and boy, did it smell good as I came down the stairs. Let's take a look. Here is our finished breakfast casserole, and I wish you could smell this. It's just a wonderful aroma. It took right around 7 hours in my crock pot, but your cook time may vary. This is a simple, convenient meal, especially during the holidays or when you have guests and you'd rather visit than cook. This will bring your family to the breakfast or dinner table where family is built. Because if you feed them, they will come.